If you want to manage friend requests on Threads, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So go ahead and click the heart first of all. And here you're gonna see the people who wants to follow you, right? Basically, and you're gonna be able to see all of the notifications. And here you're gonna see follows, right? Which means that people who followed you. And here you're gonna see the replies, and you're gonna see the mentions, right? Basically, in the all, if you select all, you're gonna be able to see the follow request too if you made your account private or whatnot. And basically, you're gonna be able to follow back or refuse the follow request. And another option, you can just go ahead and click your profile icon at the bottom right. You're gonna see right here followers, right, above the edit profile, and you're gonna be able right here to see the followers, right? You're gonna see the following, and you're gonna be able eventually to see the pending, right? You're gonna see the people who haven't logged in to the threads or haven't created an account on Threads yet. You're gonna be able to see them in that list. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.